OPPO Pad 5 Matte Display Edition listed globally ahead of January 6 launch. The OPPO Pad 5 Matte Display Edition is a premium Android tablet engineered for productivity, creativity, and prolonged viewing comfort. Designed with professionals, students, and content creators in mind, it combines a higher resolution matte display, AI-powered software features, and robust performance in a slim, modern form factor. Display and design at the center of the OPPO Pad 5 Matte Display Edition is a 12.1-inch 2.8K LCD display with a 7:5 aspect ratio and an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and sharp clarity for multitasking, reading, and media consumption. The standout feature is its anti-glare matte coating, which significantly reduces reflections and minimizes eye strain during long usage sessions. With high brightness levels and wide color gamut support, the display maintains accurate color reproduction while remaining comfortable in both indoor and bright environments. The tablet features a slim, lightweight aluminum design, offering a premium feel while remaining portable enough for daily use. Productivity and stylus support. The OPPO Pad 5 Matte Display Edition is optimized for note-taking and creative workflows. It supports the OPPO Pencil 2R, offering 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and low-latency input for a natural writing and drawing experience. Enhanced by AI-powered productivity tools, the tablet enables intelligent note summarization, handwriting enhancement, formula recognition, and smart content editing. These features streamline tasks such as studying, meeting documentation, and creative sketching, making the device well-suited for both professional and academic environments. Performance and software. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor, the tablet delivers reliable performance for multitasking, productivity applications, and entertainment. Combined with fast LPDDR5X memory and UFS 3.1 storage, the system ensures smooth operation across demanding workloads. The device runs ColorOS 4 Pad, tailored specifically for large-screen productivity. Features such as split-screen, multitasking, floating windows, and optimized app layouts enhance efficiency and usability. Battery and connectivity. The OPPO Pad 5 Matte Display Edition is equipped with a 10,050 mAh battery, providing all-day power for work and entertainment. 33W SuperVOOC fast charging ensures minimal downtime and quick recharging. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, USB-C, and optional cellular support depending on the variant. Face recognition adds a convenient and secure method for unlocking the device. Audio and multimedia. A quad-speaker system delivers clear, immersive audio, making the tablet suitable for video streaming, online meetings, and gaming without the need for external speakers.